How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. When I think about it, what are you doing here? Just thought I'd join in. This dish is like a symphony because it all comes together. A symphony? Yes. Sounds a bit odd. Well, what's wrong with symphony? No, it doesn't. You've got the richness of the quinoa, you've got the salmon, and I'm going to do a grilled corn avocado salsa, which is pretty rich. And then you've got the freshness of the pickled chilies and the pickled onion, just to refresh the palate, which is absolutely beautiful. Anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Oh, and slap a like on this video, follow us on Instagram, Twitter. Enjoy. For the pickled chili and onions, sliced chilies, here I'm using Serrano and Fresno. Add to a bowl. Thinly sliced onion. Chopped cilantro. And at the end, add red wine vinegar, sugar, mix well and place in the fridge. Next, add tomatoes to a roasting tray, followed by garlic, olive oil and salt. Now place in the oven and cook. Add water to a saucepan. Add washed quinoa. Stir well, bring to a boil, then simmer. Lid on and cook. When the tomatoes are cooked, leave to cool. Remove the vine and skin and gently mash. Add black beans, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper. Stir well, then add to the cooked quinoa. At the end, add chopped cilantro, stir well, and keep warm. For the roasted corn avocado salsa, mix olive oil and cumin together and brush. This gives a fantastic flavour to the corn. Add to a hot grill and cook. Next, using a knife, cut the corn kernels. Add to a bowl, followed by avocado, fresh lime, cilantro leaves, olive oil, season to taste, mix well, and place in the fridge. You can use any fish for this dish. I chose salmon because I love it. Season on both sides, add a drizzle of olive oil. Now add to a pan and cook. So there you have it, lots of bold flavours, totally delicious. Give it a go. Thanks guys. I've already tucked in here. Look at that crispy skin. I love that corn avocado salsa with a lime. That is beautiful.